Hey y'all, this is me Lisa doing the coronavirus. Just want to make sure I'm looking okay here. Yes, today my hair is red. It might be different tomorrow, but I just want to start a log during this period because I don't want to waste my time. I want to be able to say that I did something meaningful or did something during this time of nothingness, just change. So during this time of change, I guess I want to do something different, change. And so this is me, Lisa. I am a music teacher, and I'm not going to give you my age. That's not here or there. But this is my dog, Ella. Hold on, I'm trying to get you to see her. Ella, get her. Say hello. And right now, I'm making myself a fried bologna sandwich on toast. Oops. I think I might have cooked my toast too done. See that?